Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's going to be a prawn recipe today. A prawn recipe made with a difference because we're going to use tender coconut. The pulp of the tender coconut as well as the water, and this is going to be a yummylicious sort of a recipe. So let me show you the simple ingredients that we use. Here I have taken some big prawns, around 15 big prawns, and I'll be using the water of the tender coconuts. I've taken 2 tender coconuts here. Along with that, what I've done is that I've soaked say around 1 big tablespoon of poppy seeds in water, along with 1 big tablespoon of melon seed in hot water, and these are going to make a fine paste. Apart from that, I'll also be making a paste of 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Here I've used yellow mustard seeds. Along with that, I have taken some chilies, and I will need the paste of an onion. This is how it goes, the onion paste along with some ginger and garlic and some chilies. Of course, I'll need some haldi powder or turmeric powder and some salt, and the entire cooking will be done in mustard oil. But to raise the flavor of the entire dish, I'm going to use some coconut milk as well. So let's start cooking. Now I'm going to marinate these with some salt and a dash of vinegar. So here I've used some vinegar and some salt, and I'm going to soak it like this for 10 minutes or so that we have a milky substance out, and this will be ready to be used. Now we're going to make a fine paste of these 3 ingredients along with just some chili and 2 pods of garlic, along with some haldi powder, turmeric powder and some salt. So after some time, around 10 minutes, you'll see this watery substance that's out, and this is a procedure you really need to follow whenever you're talking about cooking with prawns. And I'm going to wash it off now. Now I'm going to add some salt and some turmeric and some salt there, and again mix it properly. So I've heated here around 2 big tablespoons of mustard oil, and I'm going to fry all these prawns, and be very careful. You just need to fry the prawns for a very less time. So this is the amount you really need to fry, and this is done. These are done, and the prawns really take very less time to fry up. So the prawns are fried up this way, and now in the remaining oil, I'm just going to fry the onion, ginger, garlic and chili paste. So I throw that in and fry the paste. So I'm going to add some salt here, just a little bit, and then mix in. Now is the time when I put in the mustard, poppy seeds and the melon seed paste. So after cutting open the coconut, you're going to just scrape off the malai that's there and use along with the water, the coconut water. This malai will also go into the curry. So this is going to be used along with the water. So I have this water that's out, and now I'm making the curry now. Now I'm going to add in the paste of the mustard and the melon and the poppy and give it a nice mix. And cook on for some more time. Now this is drying up, and I'm going to just use the coconut water. Some of it, not any water but coconut water, and give it a mix. Now we're going to add the cream of the coconut. The pulp, the cream of the tender coconut, and give it a mix. And along with that, we are also going to add some water, coconut water, and then give it a mix. And this is actually ready to go into the tender coconut now. I'm going to use it here, the entire paste, and also put in some coconut milk. And check in also for the salt. So we mix it up properly. Add in some coconut milk according to the consistency you really want it in. So we mix it properly, and then we'll put it into the tender coconut case. So this is done. Around this time you have to check in for the salt as well. So now this is the case, and I'm just going to drop in the prawns along with the mixture into this, and that thing will go in like this as much as possible. Now this is filled, and now I'm going to use some paper, some silver foil, and then try and cover it up with the silver foil, and then use some thread to tie it up. So I'm just going to tie it up. Now this is ready to go to the steamer. So I've taken a small pan and some water there, and now I'll put in the tender coconut with the prawns. So this is done, and I'm going to cover and cook it for some time, say 10 minutes on medium flame. This way I'll cook covered on medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. So after 10-12 minutes, this is how it looks. I just unveil it for you, and that's done. The chingri or the prawns are ready to be eaten right out of the tender coconut. Now that's out my dab chingri, and this has to be served with some steamed rice, and in Assam I guess people will love it with some johar rice. It's a very unique recipe and something you need to try it out to taste the flavor, the burst of flavors in your plate. That's how it looks, my dab chingri. That is, we have those prawns in the beautiful dab or the tender coconut pulp there, and it's real yummy. You need to try it out to believe it. I hope you'll give it a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching.